New Pro Trade series with Peter Galenko as featured on these lovely publications. Remember, there is an ongoing comment contest on this channel, so be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment. First giveaway will be in about 2 weeks. And yeah, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and also tune in to the Meteorological Report with myself, Joey Ollie, Frankie McDonald, and others each week on a different YouTube channel. And follow me on Twitter at DomainsVBS. Let's get the video started. Yeah. What's up? This is how to buy cryptocurrency directly with credit card in Canada. The easiest, fastest way that works for Canadians. See my Canadian friend here, Frankie McDonald. If you don't already get your Canadian weather from Frankie McDonald, he doesn't just do the weather in Canada, he does the weather around the world. Then you should get your weather from Frankie. Frankie's the man. I do a lot of podcasts and stuff with Frankie. Be sure to check him out on all of his social media platforms. Anyway, if you just want to buy some crypto and you are based in Canada, the easiest way to do so is through Paybis. Likewise, for people that are in the United States and in Europe, it is one of the first platforms that is quick and easy and accepts credit card in the United States and Canada. A lot of the services out there are Europe only. This works for Canadians as well as American citizens and, well, for the United States, 48 of the states. So pretty much wherever you are in the world, you can purchase cryptocurrency directly with credit card, and you can have your coins in as little as 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have a multi-day wait like with Coinbase and Gemini. And it's really simple, easy to use, and the sign-up only takes a few minutes. If you have your ID at the ready and a camera, you can complete the KYC in about 2 minutes. So you can, from the time you watch this video, you can have crypto in your wallet within 20 minutes buying with credit card. This is the best way to buy crypto if you are in Canada. And it is very simple to use, very easy to use, and yeah, hope it helps you out, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to end this video with a little promo video for my favorite trade assistant utility. It's like GPS for the crypto markets, giving you the best trade signals, the best entry target prices and stop losses, mathematically calculated to predict the highest accuracy, highest probability trades in the crypto trade space. So after you get your not taxes done, I was just making a video about crypto taxes before this. After you buy your crypto with credit card, go over to ProTrade.Tools to check that out. You can get started today. It's that other one is $300, the ProTrade.Tools. But it's worth every penny. You can make $300 off of just one trade. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And participate in my comment contest. I'm having an ongoing comment contest. Just like, subscribe, and drop a comment on this video, and you will be eligible to win free crypto. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Every time you make a trade on an exchange like Binance, BitHum, Bitfinex, Coinbase, wherever, Bittrex, anywhere, that information, your market orders, your buy orders that are yet to be filled, your sell orders that are yet to be filled, all of that is data mined, uploaded to the cloud, and processed through artificial intelligence to use for predictability software to make trades based on your trades and everyone else's trades. So it's processed to calculate what the most profitable trades will be going forward and what the most probable profitable trades will be. And you can access those trades today and every day at protrade.tools instead of .com. Software brought to you by Tradeology and Nicola Delic. highly recommended. It's only $300 to $99 a month. Honestly, a small price to pay, as you can make more than $300 just with one of these trades. Highly recommended. Check it out right now.